All right, let's do a quick activity and then we'll move forward. You have to do it on paper. Take out your paper or whatever. If you want to do it on your Word pad on your computer. So try solving this, try answering these things. The simple first thing is you just need to define a function and give a parameter with this name. If you have any questions, you can raise your hand and ask me. This slide will be a part of your slide, so you do not need to copy the questions. You can just simply write answers and refer back to the slide again when I'll post the slides. Yep. Which number? Number one? Number one? So the parameter, so you just need to define a function. The name of function is given to you, and also the name of the parameter. So this is why I was referring to, like, you should know what is parameter and what is argument. And again, I'm calling that defining a function, and whatever you define inside the parentheses are referred as parameters. Okay. Are you done? Two. So these are all separate questions, yes.
Yeah.
Which one?
This one is not the first one.
Okay.
Yeah. Second line.
So you swap
I swap
the
them.
information, yes. See what it says clearly. After the keyword def, you give a name of the function. So I would like to now proceed ahead and discuss the solution. Many of you might be getting confused in some things. Okay, so the first is simple. Like you write def, the name of the function get underscore letter underscore grade, and num underscore grade. Okay, num underscore grade is the name of the parameter. So when I say parameter, means like it has to be enclosed in parentheses. Okay, and colon is by default the syntax for defining the function. At the end, you should have a colon at the end. So calling a function named calc underscore calories, passing the value 21 as an argument. So you would just write the name of the function and pass the value 21 within parentheses. Okay, it's that simple. Is the following a valid function definition? Beginning, def my underscore func, the name is correct, but what is the problem here? The parameter cannot have an expression. So we cannot have any expression, any operators in the list of parameters. Okay? It's simple as that. Like you cannot have any operators in the list of parameters. Assuming a function, this is a function, and what it does, it simply increments the value. So user underscore age, you're passing 42, it will print 43. And passing another function with the value 20, it will print 21. Okay? So you can see in the same print function, I'm calling two functions, I mean the same function twice, okay, in closing and print. So when this function is called, it will execute this part of the code, it will increment the value user underscore age plus 1, and it will return. So it will return 43. So 43 will be placed here. Similarly, 21 will be placed here. And because of the print statement, it will throw off 43 and 21 on your screen without comma. Okay, so comma is to separate the list of inputs here.